Good morning, viewers. Welcome back to my studio. I have all these empty, they're almost empty bottles of DecoArt ready to pour. They have like a tiny small amount each of them. I didn't want to waste even though it is a tiny amount, so I want to put all what is left on this bottle on a cup and do a technique that this channel B.R. Turner is doing, that is called flop cup. Is his technique, and let's see if I can do it as pretty and good as he does. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm doing is I am putting some in the ones that have a little bit more, not the ones that have a tiny amount, but the ones that have a little bit more. I'm going to put right inside there because I'm just going to use it. I'm going to put a tiny bit of silicone. There's not too much in here, and this one can have two, but some of them can only have one drop. And I'm going to mix this very well in here. There's not that much paint in each of these bottles, so some of them the amount is so small that I cannot put the silicone. So we are going to put white on the canvas. So now we are going to flop the cup, which is doing like this with it. I have more than one cup, so let's see how we do. Alright, I'm just going to pour whatever is left. Now, he doesn't torch until later, but I am going to torch now. Okay, let's see how we can do this. Interesting, right? Okay, let's wait a tiny bit for that silicone. Didn't put that much silicone. I show you what I did, and I didn't put that much silicone. It's a lot of paint in the canvas, so we're able to move this a tiny bit. What do you think? Do you like it? I think I probably will touch one more time and leave it. Okay, super colorful. Super colorful. There's a lot of color in here. I was using leftover paints. I'm gonna torch again one more time. And this will be it. I hope you like this technique, and please come back for other videos. I am planning on making a video mixing my old puri medium mix, because I use it in so many of my old videos and everybody wants to have it, that I have received so many requests of making a video of that puri mix. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna use my old puri mix in a video, in a future video. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Let's torch this one more time. dots, but I like them. Very, very colorful. This is super colorful, and I'm gonna put it away. And I have other techniques that I have seen in other videos that I want to share with you, and I will continue to do that, but I'm gonna go back also and do some of my old techniques, okay? Keep subscribing. I mean, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe back, and I want you to come back and see more, okay? Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.